Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are keeping well. May Allah bless you wherever you are. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Be with me till the end of the video. You will like it. Because your little support really matters a lot to me. So here I am planning to make some chocolate cake which I showed you which company I bought, and it's so easy and the results are always good. They provide the icing as well. So for that we need a butter and 2 eggs. At the place of butter you can take margarine also, but I prefer butter. So beat the eggs. Children are helping me today because it's Sunday, and yesterday only I recorded this video and today I am uploading. So you can see this one, Arsh is whisking the eggs and I'm adding milk in it. After that we are going to add this mixture of chocolate. They have already inside sugar, everything, so we just need egg and milk, and then we put that powder. So we have to mix it well, and the butter for that we just need around, they have given all the instructions on the at the back of the box, so from there you can take the quantity and all everything whatever you need. So we are going to melt the butter now. Butter is around 60, I think, grams only, yeah, not more than that. So we melt it. Don't heat it up, just keep it on the room temperature, then add the butter, mix it well, and this one really delicious. Really, today is Sunday, so giving a task to my kids, so they will bake it, decorate it. And that's why be with me and watch till the end how the decoration come out. And I'm after this baking I'm going to prepare the lunch foldovers, so very healthy also. You might try it and it's very quick. So now we grease the pan and then pour all our mixture inside, flatten it up, and this in my this cooker I can bake, I can even do the make the roast chicken. This is quite good one. It has like 6 functions in it which is quite useful, so I just use that one. And now we are preparing icing. For icing again we need 40 grams of butter, then add like I think just 20 grams of 20 ml, not grams, sorry, 20 ml of milk, and mix it. Then we put the chocolate icing in it and it's ready. Normally they have written on instruction whisk it, use the hand blender or something, but I think this way whenever I do like this, just stir it and leave it for to get the room temperature. It's quite good. The results are very good, very perfect. So in like this one, I think this chocolate mixture box I bought like 13 ringgit, and then we add the butter and all in I think around 15 ringgit or 17 we can have a whole cake. Which is the best part. Now I am preparing, now our cake is baking and I am cutting the veggies for our foldovers. Sunday make a little special. So, but you can try it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day. No problem. So here I have cut all my veggies and I took the whole wheat wraps. So add a little bit butter, stir our veggies on high flame in it. Yeah, all the veggies we put inside except cucumber and stir them on high flame. and don't, like, I think just 1 minute stirring is okay. Just add a little bit of salt, give it a good shuffle, and then add black pepper. Also mix it well so that it's evenly spread everywhere. And now we are going to dish it out. This glazy veggie looks so glamorous. Now we add butter again in the pan, melt it, and then add eggs. I'm going to add eggs 6 because I'm going to make 6 rolls, wraps, and you can add according to your own quantity. Just sprinkle some black pepper, then a little bit of salt, then chopped coriander, chopped tomatoes. Sometime, with the little extra and with the same simple ingredients that we are having at home, we can really make our food different and delicious, and can avoid the boredom of every day the same sort of food. So here I mix all the egg yolks also. You can see it look beautiful, and I'm going to just shallow fry. Don't cook too much, not overcooked. I took this whole grain wraps. You can make chapati or roti at home also. On that also you can use all your veggies and you can make a wrap. So I added the mayonnaise and some chili sauce according to the kids, the children and our taste, but you can add whatever sauce you like. So I add some veggies and cucumber, and our wrap is ready. So for all the like children who like which veggie, whatever they want, lesser or more, so accordingly I have wrapped them all. As you can see, they are so delicious, healthy, and very very good. But don't go anywhere because we have to check our cake as well. Here cake is almost baked. You can see the result is so good, no breakage. I flip the other side now and you can see it's so good, so spongy. The cake came out so good. Now children will decorate it. How you like the decoration? Stay with me, check the decoration and let me know in comments. Give your feedbacks, it matters a lot to me. So here I think I'm going to pour all the icing because they are doing quite slow job. I'm just thinking, should I? They are scooping very less, so better I pour all so they can do it freely. Like this we give small tasks to our kids. They can be very artistic and then they can do, learn things also slowly. That's also very important. Here they have already flattened all the icing. Whatever is the perfection need, mama is doing it now. So we will, and it's really delicious. And the children are so happy that they bake it, they decorate it, and then they enjoy it more than anything, because they have that confidence that it's their product, and they feel the achievement. So they are using their own artistic ideas to decorate it. Uruj hands, you can see Shazil and Arshiz. Uruj is even sitting on the table and helping. Kids are very excited. So they are almost going to be there. The color combination is so nice. Hope you like the video. See you again. Bye bye.